Borderline animation, Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion on your device. Once it is ready, press Create New Project to start a new project. Adjust the project settings according to your preference before continuing with the editing process. After the settings have been configured, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button to add media to the timeline. Browse through your files, search for the footage you want to use, and import it into the timeline. After the footage has finished loading, select the footage layer to open its available options. A small menu will appear on the screen. From that menu, choose Border and Shadow to access the border settings for the selected footage. Next, press the border section located on the middle right side of the screen. Inside the border section, press Add Border to create a new border around the footage. After the border has been added, choose the border color according to your preference. Once you have selected the color, change the border position to top according to your needs. After setting the border position, locate the size option and turn on its keyframe to begin creating the animation. Set the value of the first keyframe to 300 to define the starting size of the border. Move forward a few frames on the timeline and add another keyframe. Set the value of the second keyframe according to your preference to create the border animation. After placing both keyframes, open the graph editor to refine the movement. Adjust the graph until the animation looks smoother and the transition between the keyframes appears more natural. Continue adjusting the graph until you are satisfied with the animation. Play the preview to check the result. If everything looks correct, then the process is complete. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a borderline animation in Alight motion.